In this video, I'll be talking about what are retained earnings on a balance sheet. So let's get started. Now, retained earnings represent the cumulative net income of a company that has not been distributed to shareholders as dividends. It's essentially the portion of a company's profits that is retained within the business for future use. Now, we're going to look at how retained earnings work. So when a company generates profits, it calculates its net income by subtracting total expenses from total revenue. Now, a portion of the net income may be distributed to the shareholders as dividends, but the remaining net income that is not distributed as dividends is added to the company's retained earnings. So it's basically like saving. So after you've given out all your expenses and dividends, the small amount or a small portion of the net income is saved for future use. So that's basically what retained earnings are. Now we're going to look at why do they even matter. So I'm going to go ahead and write down the reasonings. The first reason is funding growth. Funding growth. So retained earnings can be used to fund future growth and expansion, such as investing in new equipment, research and development, or acquiring other businesses. Then we have debt reduction. Debt reduction. So companies can use retained earnings to pay off debts, reducing interest expenses and improving their financial health. Then we have shareholder value. Shareholder value. So by reinvesting retained earnings, companies can increase their value and in turn the values of their shares. And lastly, we have financial stability. So, a strong balance of retained earnings can enhance a company's financial stability and its ability to weather economic downturns. Now, where can you find these retained earnings? Now, these are typically found on the balance sheet under the shareholders' equity section. It's important to know that retained earnings can be positive or negative. A negative balance indicates that the company has accumulated losses over time. So that is basically everything you need to know about retained earnings. So that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.